মই প্ৰতিদিনে ডায়েৰী লিখোঁ। I write a diary every day. I write a diary every day. তুমি এতিয়া কি ভাবি আছা? What are you thinking now? What are you thinking now? তাই পুৱা ব্যায়াম কৰে। She exercise in the morning. She exercise in the morning. আমি একেলগে সিদ্ধান্ত ললোঁ। We made the decision together. We made the decision together. সিহঁতে গাঁওখন পৰিষ্কাৰ কৰি আছে। They are cleaning the place. They are cleaning the place. মই মোৰ ভুলৰ বাবে দুখিত। I am sorry for my mistake. I am sorry for my mistake. তুমি কেতিয়া ঘূৰি আহিবা? When will you come back? When will you come back? তুমি বহুত ভালদৰে বুজাই দিয়া। You explain every well. You explain every well. আমি কাইলৈ লগ হ'ম। We will meet tomorrow. We will meet tomorrow. সিহঁতে একে শ্ৰেণীত পঢ়ে। They study in the same class. They study in the same class. তুমি কেতিয়াও মিছা কথা নকবা। Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. সি নতুন ভাষা শিকি আছে। She is learning a new language. She is learning a new language. আমি নতুন পৰিকল্পনা বনাইছোঁ। We have made a new plan. We have made a new plan. তুমি মোক সঁচাকৈ সহায় কৰিলা। You really helped me. You really helped me. সি সময়মতে স্কুললৈ যায়। He goes to school on time. He goes to school on time. তাই প্ৰতিদিনে কিতাপ পঢ়ে। She reads book every day. She reads book every day. আমি নতুন বিষয় শিকি আছোঁ। We are learning a new topic. We are learning a new topic. সিহঁতে বাগিচাত কাম কৰি আছে। They are working in the garden. They are working in the garden. মই মোৰ সপোন পূৰণ কৰিব বিচাৰোঁ। I want to fulfill my dream. I want to fulfill my dream. তুমি কি মোক বুজিছা? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? তুমি মোৰ কথা বিশ্বাস কৰা। Believe me. Believe me. আমি একেলগে ফটো তুলিছোঁ। We took a photo together. We took a photo together. সিহঁতে সময় নষ্ট নকৰে। They do not waste time. They do not waste time. মই নতুন বন্ধুত্ব গঢ়িছোঁ। I have made a new friendship. I have made a new friendship. তাই বহুত সুন্দৰকৈ লিখে। She writes very beautiful. She writes very beautiful. মই আজিৰ দিনটো উপভোগ কৰিছোঁ। I am enjoying today. I am enjoying today. তুমি কেতিয়া ঘৰলৈ যাবা? When will you go home? When will you go home? আমি সফলতাৰ বাবে চেষ্টা কৰি আছোঁ। We are trying for success. We are trying for success.